For foam rolling our quads, we are going to start by laying one quad right on top of that roller. So I'm starting on my right side. And then you'll notice how my left knee is right out to the side. And I'm going to use that for support as you're either on your hands or down on your elbows. So this is a good starting position. I'm just going to turn so you can see a different angle. So now I'm going to go here, exact same setup, leg down, other knee out, and I'm going to start down on my knees. I'm also going to think about creating a little core tension just to avoid really excessive sway back like this. Okay, so a little core activation, and then you're going to go ahead and do a little army crawl as you push yourself up and back, aiming to roll out or self-massage all those tissues between the top of your knee and your hip. All right, so I'm going up and down. And something else I really like to suggest is go ahead and try pointing your toes out. Might be a little hard to see, but right now my toes are pointed out and I'm rotating that whole leg. So now I feel more of the pressure along the inner thigh area, or a little closer towards the inner thigh. Still focus on the quads as I move up and down here. Now you can do the exact same thing with your toes pointing in as you roll a little more on that outer edge, okay, a little closer towards the IT band, but still on the quads as you go up and down here. And I just want you guys to hit all those 3 points, so going neutral, going toes out, and then going toes in as you go from the top of the hip all the way down to the top of the knee.